The more I listen to this, the better my life gets. The magic that you are looking for, it's in the work you are avoiding. You see, this is the best quote ever. It's very simple and straightforward. You just need to be doing things you are avoiding. It's very straight. It's just simple as that. So you see, you can do this by stepping out of comfort zone. You see, people are comfortable being in the comfort zone. You see, people are comfortable being in the comfort zone because they think like if they are in the comfort zone, they can't do the hard things because they don't want to do hard things. They just want to do easy things. But if you want to be successful, if you want to be rich, you need to be doing the things that you're avoiding. It's magic, bro. It's very simple and straightforward. That's it.
Yeah, the magic that you're looking for is in the way you're avoiding, as my brother said already. I think a lot of people nowadays just want to do the things that is easy. A lot of people nowadays just want to be doing the things they feel like doing. They work with feelings, but as a man, you don't need to work with feelings. You need to act. The magic that you are looking for, it's in the work you are avoiding. A lot of people avoid to do the work. Oh no, I need to do this. I don't need to do this. You need to do the things just because you're supposed to do it. That's being a duty of a man. You don't need to do the things you feel like doing just because you feel like eating. No, I feel like playing games. I feel like watching Netflix, eating popcorn. As a man, you need to do things that are hard and things that successful people are doing. That's what being a man is all about. The magic that you are looking for is in the work you are avoiding. Do the work you feel it's hard, it's in high demand. Then you will win and you will succeed.